Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all of you again to my channel Information Cottage, and I believe you are fine and doing great in your lives. Please maximize your stay at home. Maintain this social distancing. Try to avoid from extra or unnecessary gathering just to keep yourself away from this corona pandemic. In this video, I have some answers to some questions regarding Turkey Bursary Scholarship result declaration, because we heard that last night they have announced the result for the first round. First thing I would like to talk about it is the declaration of the result, the evaluation procedure. Secondly, we would like to talk about the nature of the interview, that what kind of interview they are going to conduct with the successful candidates. Either it is going to be online or face-to-face interview at the Turkish High Commissioner office in your country. I would like to answer all these queries and questions regarding Turkey Bursary Scholarship. First, result announcement. The other one is interview. So let's discuss these issues in detail. So let's talk about the results in detail. What do they mean by the result evaluation? It means that they have shortlisted some of the candidates for the second round. In the second round, they are going to conduct interview of the successful candidates. Because I saw the Turkey Bursary web page and Turkey Bursary Facebook page, too many Pakistani and South Asian country students, they were like emailing them, they were putting some comments, but still their status in the login portal is showing as a under evaluation. It will be something like that. But if you are selected for the Turkey Bursary Scholarship, you are going to get an email in your email. So what you have to do, you have to look into your inbox. If it is not there, you have to look the spam folder and everything related to your email portal. So if you don't get an email, it means that you are rejected for Turkey Bursary Scholarship 2020. So don't lose your courage, don't lose your passion, try for other scholarships. You can apply in Turkish universities. I have a lot of videos about Turkish university scholarship on my channel. So you can follow those videos. And for the good universities in Turkey, I think that most of the deadlines are over, so you can apply for the spring intake, and the deadline for the spring intake would be in around about it would be in November or October. Now the second question, the most important question, so it is going to be for the selected candidates. So I congratulate them for their success in the first round of Turkey Bursary Scholarship. So the first thing is that how they are going to conduct an interview. In my previous videos and like in the previous years, Turkey Bursary Scholarship was supposed to conduct face-to-face interview in Turkish High Commissioner office in your country or at some specific place. But because of the COVID-19 or corona pandemic in the whole world, they are not going to have face-to-face interview with the candidates. This is for sure. So your interview for Turkey Bursary Scholarship, it is going to be an online interview. So they can conduct your interview using Skype. They can ask you to come for the interview using Zoom. But all these instructions, they will email you that how you can come for the online interview, how you can set the things for the interview. So this is clear that the nature of interview is going to be online. It is not face-to-face interview for Turkey Bursary Scholarship anymore. Now the most important question, how to prepare for the interview. I talked to many selected candidates in the previous years, and they have told me that you should prepare according to following content. So the first thing in this regard is you should be confident. You should be confident about your selection, because you are already shortlisted and they have some positive comments about you. Now you have to impress them by your confidence. So because during this confidence interview, what you have to do, you have to present yourself in original way. You have to explain yourself. Actually, you will explain the things you have already written in statement of purpose, in like you will explain your grades, you will explain your past experiences, and you will explain your future expectations. If you are selected for this scholarship, how you are going to avail this scholarship, how you are going to perform throughout this scholarship. And one more important question or follow-up question for the first thing is that if you are not selected for the final round, that what will be your future plans. Okay, so you have to prepare this solid statement as well. So the first thing is your confidence. So the second thing is that what kind of documentation is required. So the most important thing for any interview is documentation. So what kind of documentation you should have? I told you earlier as well, you should have PDF copies of all your documents, all your diplomas, all your transcripts from your previous institutions, and they can ask you to show that degrees, and of course you have to send those degrees to the authorities of Turkey Burs Lorry Scholarship via email. Most important thing, again I am telling you, you should have your passport. You should have passport, and that passport should be valid for 6 months after September 2020, because the passport is your main identity. They will ask you where is your identity, and you have to show that passport. You cannot show only your ID card. So the second thing is that you have to have your passport. So lastly, I would like to emphasize on your dressing, that when you are going for the interview, you should dress formally. Like, you should not be so informal. Actually, it doesn't matter so much, but try to have some formal dressing for the interview. If you still have any kind of questions in your mind, I'm talking to now selected candidates. You can talk to me anytime. You can talk to me on Gmail, you can talk to me on Instagram, or even you can text me on Messenger as well. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for your patience, and once again I congratulate all the candidates who are selected for the second round of Turkey Burs Lorry Scholarship. Stay safe, stay at home, and keep maintaining social distancing. Take care of yourself, take care of your families. Allah Hafiz.